Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling, and today we sous vide with me, AB. In today's video recipe, we're going to be using the Novus 3.0 precision cooker, which is this one right here. We're going to be using this, and what we're going to be cooking today is fresh corn. You can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the fresh corn inside of a food saver bag. We're going to put some cubes of butter on the top, then we're going to vacuum seal it, and we're gonna cook it in this tub. So let me go ahead and get everything together. Let's peel this corn and let's peel it back and let's get it started. Okay, first things first, I filled up my 12-quart container. Here I'll be using my Nova 3.0 precision cooker, and this right here is the Nova sous vide stand. Listen, this also fits it was made for the 3.0, precision cooker, but I got a bonus for you. It also fits the Nova Nano. I will put a link in the iCard above so you can check out that video as well. Here we want to go ahead and, if you're starting with corn like this, you just want to go ahead and peel it so we can wash it, and then pat it dry, and then we can start putting it into the space saver. I started out with 4 ears of corn, but after looking at the fourth one right here, you can see it looked like it didn't develop or it had some issues, so I just went ahead and discarded it. So what we'll do now is we'll get these prepared to put in this food saver bag. So we'll just set these over here like this. Open this up, and then we'll pull out a bag. So you figure, look, we can get 3 of these in here, no problem. And then we'll cut the bag. Okay. Now I know that I'm using a food saver, but listen, you can use Ziploc bags. You might have to cut your corn in half, and then layer them inside of the bag, and you're going to try to get out as much air as possible, especially when you put the cubes of butter on top. But listen, that is an option. You don't have to have a food saver. You can use Ziploc bags, but if you do have a food saver, that's a plus. Here, I've already preheated my water to 185 degrees, and then we're gonna just go ahead and just set the corn inside of the water. And then here, you'll see me using the binder clip. For one, I don't want it to soak all the way down, to drift all the way down to the bottom, and then I have to fish it out, because that water is hot. So if you just use a binder clip, set it off to the side, and just wait. The time on this is 3 hours and 45 minutes. Now, once you open your bag and you put your corn onto the plate, whatever butter that didn't sink into your corn, it'll be in your bag. So I poured that buttery goodness on top of the corn and went from there. These were a gift to me since I love dogs and like corn on the cob. So I decided to go ahead and just use these. Here you go, a Dutch Hound. So check it out. Listen, we just sous vide, some corn on the cob. And then I got these little corn on the cob. I wish they had Rottweilers, but you know what? I got this little Dutch Hound that'll do. I'm a dog lover, so let's go with that. So listen, did it at 185 degrees, did it for 3 hours and 45 minutes. Everything went off. I let it sit in the water extra 15 minutes. You know what I mean? So I just want to give you the exact time. So now let's just go ahead and take a bite. Look. Forgive me. I love corn on the cob. So what we did was we just sous vide some corn on the cob. Listen, there's some type of, it gets to become like some kind of mystic, mystery type thing when you start talking about doing a sous vide technique, and cooking things, especially when you start talking about vegetables. A lot of people didn't even know you can do vegetables. But this is just to let you know. And if you're new to it, you got it, you're looking to break your maiden, you know what? Slip some corn in there, slip some vegetables in there, and make it happen. If you ask me, I wish I had the time and I could do it. It's really practical though. Like if you come in, you need some time, you got the time, you can just go ahead and put your corn right inside here, set it, and then forget about it. You know what I mean? It comes out perfect, so this gives you time to prep the rest of your meal and things of that nature. That's just one less thing on the stove. Outside of that, I'm gonna go ahead and just show it to you this way. Here it is, look. I'm about to tear this one up and the other half of it. You know what I mean? So listen, I approve. You guys give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Listen, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. And if you want to see more, just let me know. Outside of that, I want to say, hey, thank you. And I'm out. Peace.